Hey everyone, it's Val here and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you can tell, we've got the bark box. So this is Charlie's video as much as my video, and Charlie and I are going to open up the bark box. I am trying a new setting, trying a new little area. Now that I have my couch, I want to see if maybe this will be better to make bark box videos from now on. But let's go ahead and grab the scissors and start opening it. Also, this is November bark box. I literally just got it yesterday on November 28th. Yeah, so November 28th I just got it, so that's why it's late. Other videos, I mean, I filmed them, I just never edited them. But this one, I just got it. So, let's go ahead and open his box. Okay, so this is going over here. That's not it, Charlie. This is it. This is it. Here's his bark box. Woohoo! Bark box! Bark box! Making dogs happy for over 50 dog years. Woohoo! Okay. Ready to open it? Oh, I don't think they have tape. Ready? Bum 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 bum. Ooh, home for Thanksgiving. So this is Charlie's box. It is home for Thanksgiving. And let's go ahead and open it. What's in it? What did you get? Huh? What did you get? Okay, so we got some treats. These are the Purr, Love, Live, Love Treat chicken stick recipes for dogs made with real chicken. There's no soy, corn, or wheat. It's high in protein, made in the USA. So these are the treats. Want to try one? As always, we love trying our treats, don't we? Okay. Try it. Looks like he's eating it. Let's see. I'm gonna move you guys a little bit back. Is it yummy? Okay, let's see the toys. Come here. Come here. Come on the couch. Okay, so first toy. We've got what it looks like. I don't even, oh, is it turkey? No, it's mac and cheese. But, oh, stay here. So this isn't even on here. Okay, so, okay, it's not even on the little thing that we normally have. So this is mac and cheese, or as I should say, mac and cheese, because that's what it says, mac and cheese. Charlie, did you know that my favorite food is mac and cheese? So this includes, it has 2 squeakers and a crazy crinkle. So here it is, some mac and cheese. Oh, look. Gosh darn, I just literally vacuumed. Hold on, Charlie. There it is. Okay, so here's the mac and cheese. It looks like it's kind of like this. There's some little noodles on top. There's one. Looks like we can have fun with this. Should we show them? Kind of like a little tug-of-war toy. Here, take it. Go get it. There he goes. Okay, let's open the new one, the next one. So the next one is a drumstick. This is the taste-tested turkey leg. And this one includes a spiky ball and a crazy crinkle. Oh. What does that mean? What does that mean? Because there's a spiky ball in here, I guess. I wonder if what that means is if he can like tear this open. This is what it looks like. Because it said that there's a spiky ball and a crazy crinkle, and it says, "Your pup took a bite out of this drumstick to make sure it's good. How sweet. Fluffy, squeaky, and fun to fetch. This turkey leg passes a playtime test." So he might be able to like open it or chew through it. Okay. Too bad we're putting these toys away. But put them away because they're seasonal toys. They're Thanksgiving toys. I didn't read what the mac and cheese said. So the mac and cheese says, "This triple mac and cheese was cooked up for dogs who love to tug and thrash their toys. Snuggle up to the Sherpa top when your pup needs to sleep off their carb coma." Now it's time for treats. Want to try a treat? Okay. Treats. So we got dogs giving treats. Second helping ham. Pork recipe. Dog treats. Okay. Ready? Come here. Come on, get up. And they smell good. They definitely smell good. From a human's perspective, they do smell good. Okay, next bag of treats. These are the Gobble Gobble Turkey. Turkey recipe dog treats. These are smelling good too. He likes them. So, these are the bag of treats that we got. And then, these are the toys that we got. And now, we're going to go ahead and show you guys what you could have gotten in the box. So, it looks like what we got in the box has nothing to do with this little thing. But you could have gotten Turkey Tim, Nancy's Secret Sauce, Out of Your Gourd, Turkey Bags, Squeak-O-Vision, or Nana's Throw Pillow. So that's what we could have gotten, Charlie, but we didn't. So, that was our video. I think I'm going to bring it a little closer now. Come here. Come say bye. Wait, come here. Come here. Okay, here we go. We got him. Okay, so that was our Bark Box for November 21 video. Unboxing November 21. I think Charlie liked his treats and he likes his toys. But like I said, I'm putting away his toys because it's no longer Thanksgiving and I don't want to keep all of his toys out. I'm trying to just cycle through them. but I think he wants to go, so I'm gonna make the outro without him. Go. There he goes. Okay. So, as I've been saying in almost all of my outros, I always get tongue-tied, I don't know why. But as I've been saying in all of my outros, I am having a 100 subscriber giveaway, woohoo! So I'm almost to 100 subscribers, I only need 23 left, if I'm doing my math right, that sounds about right. I only need 23 more people to subscribe to me, and we will have a 100 subscriber giveaway. If you guys want to subscribe to my channel, subscribe down below, it's totally free. To be entered in the giveaway, all I have to do is be subscribed to my YouTube channel and also follow my Instagram. My Instagram is going to be Valerie Tellez YT, so just YouTube's initials, Valerie Tellez YT, and it's a fairly new Instagram. I only have maybe like 1 or 2 posts, but that's my, from now on, that's going to be like my YouTube Instagram page, where I post all things YouTube and blah 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 blah. So I'll have on the end card, or the end card, I'll have my YouTube up top, so it'll be like up top over here, and I'll also have my YouTube down below, so you guys can know where to follow me. And yeah, so go ahead and comment down below if you guys are subscribed to any boxes for your pets. Or even yourself. I used to be subscribed to FabFitFun, but I couldn't afford it right anymore. So hopefully I can afford it again soon, because I do love getting my FabFitFun stuff, and they do have some fun things for the home, as well as for yourself, as well as clothing. And also like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and we'll see you all next time. Bye everyone!